Have you ever felt tired, even though you didn't do much that day? You wake up in the morning, your body already feels heavy, your mind feels slow, and by the afternoon, you're exhausted again. Many people over 40 experience this and think maybe this is just part of getting older. But here's the truth. Constant fatigue is not always normal aging. Very often, it's your body quietly sending warning signals, signals that are easy to ignore. In this video, we'll talk about common causes of persistent tiredness, especially after the age of 40, and simple, safe habits that may help improve your energy. Stay with me until the end, because one of these causes surprises most people.
Feeling tired once in a while is normal. Everyone gets tired after a busy day. But constant fatigue is different. It may look like feeling exhausted even after enough sleep, needing coffee just to function, losing motivation for things you used to enjoy, feeling physically weak without clear reason, feeling mentally foggy or slow. Many people ignore these signs for years. They push through. They say, "I'm just busy," or "I'm getting older." But fatigue is often a signal, not the problem itself. Let's look at some common causes. One of the most common and overlooked causes of fatigue is nutrition. You may be eating enough food, but not getting enough essential nutrients. After 40, the body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. Common issues include low iron, low vitamin B12, low vitamin D, not enough protein. Many people rely heavily on processed foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbohydrates. These give quick energy, but then cause a crash. Over time, this creates constant tiredness. Simple habits that may help: eat more whole foods, include protein with every meal, get regular sunlight exposure, avoid skipping meals, always consult a healthcare professional if fatigue persists. Many people say, "I sleep 7 or 8 hours, but I'm still tired." The problem may not be how long you sleep, but how well you sleep. After 40, sleep patterns naturally change. Common sleep disruptors: light sleep, frequent nighttime waking, stress-related insomnia, screen use before bed, late caffeine intake. Poor sleep prevents your body from repairing itself. Over time, this leads to low energy, mood changes, weak concentration. Helpful habits include going to bed at the same time every night, reducing screen exposure before sleep, creating a dark, quiet sleeping environment, limiting caffeine after midday. Good sleep is not a luxury. It's essential. Stress doesn't just affect the mind, it deeply affects the body. Long-term stress keeps your body in survival mode. This leads to constant tension, hormonal imbalance, mental exhaustion, physical fatigue. Many adults over 40 live with silent stress, financial worries, family responsibilities, work pressure, health concerns. Even if you don't feel stressed, your body might be. Simple ways to manage stress: short daily walks, deep breathing exercises, limiting negative news intake, allowing time for rest without guilt. Reducing stress often improves energy levels more than people expect. It sounds strange, but not moving enough can make you more tired. Many people think rest means sitting or lying down all day, but prolonged inactivity reduces circulation and muscle strength. This leads to stiffness, weak muscles, and low stamina. Gentle movement can actually increase energy. You don't need intense exercise. Helpful options include walking, stretching,
light strength exercises, and gentle yoga. Consistency matters more than intensity. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day can help. Sometimes fatigue is linked to underlying health issues. Examples include blood sugar imbalance, thyroid issues, anemia, heart-related conditions. This doesn't mean you should panic, but it does mean persistent fatigue should not be ignored. If tiredness lasts for months, gets worse over time, comes with other symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Early attention can make a big difference. Here are simple, safe habits many people find helpful. Drink enough water. Eat balanced meals. Get sunlight exposure. Move your body daily. Manage stress intentionally. Prioritize quality sleep. You don't need to change everything at once. Small steps done consistently matter. Your body responds best to gentle, long-term care.
Feeling tired all the time is not something you should simply accept. Often, your body is asking for attention, not perfection. If you recognize yourself in this video, start by listening to your body. Make small changes. Be patient with yourself. And most importantly, don't ignore persistent fatigue.
Have you been feeling tired lately? Which part of this video felt most familiar to you? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health.